In recent days, we have seen reports of the recent acquisition of Rafale jets by the Indian Air Force. According to some former senior Indian officials and several international publications, these Rafale jets are dual-capable systems that can also be modified as nuclear weapon delivery systems. In addition to this, India has nuclearized the Indian Ocean and continues to increase the readiness of its arsenal through measures such as canisterization of missile systems. India continues to amass military capabilities beyond its genuine security requirement. According to some credible and reputable international research institutes, India is now the second largest arms importer. The world community must dissuade India from its disproportionate arms buildup, which could also lead to an arms race in South Asia. The world is already a witness to the bellicose and irresponsible rhetoric by the BJP government in pursuit of a revisionist agenda in the neighborhood.